Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video we did yesterday and I hope it was very helpful. So today, okay, my name is Dede Elom Ajanke. I'm a business executive officer with a brokerage company. So we are into forex markets. We teach you everything you want to know about forex market, how to trade, anything using the technical analysis to focus more on the technical analysis. So everything you want to learn, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, stock indices, and commodity, you are welcome to our office. We are located on the Spain Test Road in 100 meters from the Coca-Cola about Accra, Ghana. So this morning we are about to learn how to take a position using a laptop. Actually, I wanted to do this video using the phone rather because the phone is mostly very easy to do. But today we'll be using a laptop. We'll be using a laptop. So here's my charts. I'm using the HF Market XP demo account. So this is my demo account here. I already have some trade ongoing the GPUSD. I'm almost at 64.28 dollars on the GPUSD. So today, here is my chart. This is the chart for GPUSD. This is my terminal, my trades, the market watch, and so today, what we are going to do is like learn how to take a position. So this is my new order, my terminal, and my market watch, my navigator, and the auto trading. So we focus more on the new order. And what we do is like we focus also on the market execution. We'll be doing the pending order tomorrow because a lot of people are confused on how to trade using a pending order, buy limits, buy stop, sell stop, and sell limits. They don't know much about it. So tomorrow we'll be doing that. So join me tomorrow on my channel. I'll be posting this video on my channel so you can go and watch, like, and share with your friends and maybe download it if you want. If you have any questions to ask, kindly just send me a mail at elomajonke@outlook.com or elomajonke@gmail.com. So you can also visit my Facebook page. You can also visit my Instagram page. My Facebook page is Abigail Moe Ajonke, so you can visit. I have so many doing there. Into decoration and other stuff. So apart from trading, I have some small business doing. So let's go back to what we are here to do. So this we have symbol, we have the tick charts, we have the volume, 2.1 with the minimum, we have to 10 and above. Yeah. We have the stop loss, we have the take profits, we have the comment, we have the type, it's market execution of penny order. As I said, tomorrow we'll focus more on a penny order because people really find it difficult to know how to buy limits, sell limits, and other stuff. They don't really understand how it is. So tomorrow our focus will be on that. So we have the buy, sell by market, buy by market. All depends on the trade that you have. So always do this. When you're coming to trade a particular pair, always look at the market specification for that specific pair to know the spread, the swap, and the commission. So if you look at your trade, if you are a scalper and you are scalping and look at the swap, for let's say a buy and it's a negative swap, better and looking at the trade you are making in you by the end of the number of picks you are using, you get less than the swap. It's better to close that day. Don't let that trade overnight. Is advice. Always look at the market, what the market go to market specification. So everything here, the spread is floating there. We have everything here. The swap for the buy is negative 8.3. For the short with the sell is 1.33. So all the information that you need they are here. So always look at them before you start trading a particular pair. If you're a newbie, you don't know what you are doing, always look at this because by the end of the day you end up losing money, gaining money but losing it by the end of the day, looking at the swap and the commission on it. Always look at that. So all this depends on the equity you have. So I'm much into people who have $100 and $50 to $10. So those are people that are my focus. So my focus on them. So how to trade? take a position. So we come back to you guys using GBUSD post. At least this analysis that was week, last week, yes. So this is the profits I'm in now. I think three, and I'm expecting another 5 weeks. So here we go. So this is my I'm using 0.01. And my stop loss, I want my stop loss below here. So first of all, let me go into the market, and here's where my stop loss will be and my take profit will be. So my stop loss will be below this. Let me bring it small. Like this, because I don't want to lose much. So in case the market goes against me, I don't want to lose much. So my stop loss is at some point. So my stop loss is almost 1.2992, and my take profit is 1.33487. So let's go back to the order. So my stop loss is 29920, and my take profit is 33487. So here we go. So I'm choosing the market execution. My lot size is 0.01. Doesn't matter the number of equity I have, I'm using 0.01. And here we go, the buy. So since I'm buying, so I'll be looking on the buy. So here we go. Here is my trade. My trade is running, and here is my trade. Right now this deposit we just take negative minus 0.16. So everything I put my stop loss is here. My stop loss is here. My take profit is here, and this was my entry price, and this is the current price. So anytime my trade, the actual price will be above my entry price, I'll start making some money. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this video has been very helpful. So if you have any questions, this will be on my channel. This video will be on my channel. So if you have any question at all, so kindly ask. If you have any question, kindly ask. If you have anything to say, any recommendation to make, say any request to make, they are always welcome. So guys, I hope I've made your day, and for those who started trading, that they learned so much today. So enjoy your day, and for any information, kindly call me on 050147 or 104 for further information. Okay guys, enjoy your day. Bye.